Let's talk about the latest launched INFINIX smartphone Smart 8 HD with premium timber texture finish design. Now let's talk about the specification of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, with 6.6 inches HD plus punch hole magic ring display, resolution of 720 by 1612 pixels, approximately 84.6% screen to body ratio, 20:9 aspect ratio, 500 nits peak brightness, approximately 267 ppi pixel density, 90 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 13 megapixel main camera, along with 0.08 megapixel auxiliary lens with quad LED ring flash. For selfies, it has 8 megapixel front camera with LED flash, video recording maximum 1080p at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 13 Go operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of XOS 13 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 1.6 GHz dual-core Cortex-A75 plus 1.6 GHz hexa-core Cortex-A55. Powered by Unisoc T606 chipset, paired with Mali G57MP1 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 3 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, and 3 GB extended RAM, and 64 GB of UFS 2.2 onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 2 TB dedicated micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.6 by 75.6 by 8.5 mm, and its weight around 184 grams. The color options: timber black, shiny gold, crystal green, galaxy white colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 10-watt charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. With Face Unlock, the connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual point Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5 mm headphone jack, and a USB Type-C charging port. So, now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The INFINIX Smart 8 HD has been expected priced in Pakistan for 3 GB plus 64 GB storage variant at 21,999 Pakistani rupees, and around $75 and 6,299 Indian rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this INFINIX Smart 8 HD smartphone? Let us know in the comments section below, and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.